We're gonna test. Emma's wearing my UFC punching gloves, and we're gonna test how good she punches. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Do I get to punch you?
No.
What? Just don't punch my nose.
Okay, let me.
Oh, okay.
Oh, she's clean.
Okay, last one. No, not no. Ah, I get the punch you. Block, 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 block. Good job, good job, good blocking. My turn. How do you block? How do you block? How do you block? Block, 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 block. Good job. Your turn. Not double. Only one. Okay. I'm gonna block.